Hello, guys. Welcome back. I want to welcome you to today's training. We're going to be going over another AI tool today, and I'm going to show you how to use AI to make music. This app that we're using today, I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite AI tools because it gives me the opportunity to create songs, and the songs sound quality. I mean, the first day that I used this tool, I created like 20 songs because the songs sounded so good. You could put them actually on the radio. That's how good they sound. So we're going to jump right into the training. So exactly what is Suno? Suno is an AI leading user-friendly music generation platform that creates high-quality full-length songs with vocals and instrumentation in seconds, often sounding nearly radio ready. And that is so true because when I first used this tool, I was amazed at how professional it sounded. It sounded like it could go straight to the radio. That's how good it sounded. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to Chat GPT. Want you? What I like to do is just come up with a name of the song. I want you to create a song called "It's Your Time." Someone. So I want you to create a song in Suno called "It's Your Time," a song about someone going through a hard life and then their life changed for the better. And let's see what it comes up with. So it's going to create the whole song. And what I like to do is open a separate sheet because you don't want to copy all of this stuff in there. Only thing you really need is the song part. So I'm going to just copy all of this. Copy. I'm going to go back over to Suno. So when you're in Suno, you go to create, and then you put in your lyrics here. And what I normally do is I'm going to put the name of the song at the top, and it's going to name it that. So title, come to the top, paste that there, take out all the words that says like verses, just leave the actual lyrics, just take out chorus, verse, any of those. So we're going to keep taking that out. Chorus, bridge, we don't need to put that in there because it automatically know what to do. And then we're going to hit create. And it's going to create that song in a matter of seconds. And it creates two versions whenever you create one song, it always creates two. Let's see if I can play it. I think it's still going. Let's just see.
It's your time. Woke up in the dark, no light in the room. Bills on the table, fading to.
It said it creates two versions.
It's your time. Yeah. It's your time.
Ain't that professional?
Woke up in the dark, no light in the room. Bills on the table, fading too soon.
So we don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, this thing, man, you can do instrumentals. Let's say if you just wanted an instrumental. So you can go over to, let me let the song finish first. Normally goes faster than that. Now if you just wanted the and style, you can put right here like I want a more drums, more piano, more. That's just kind of to give it the type of vibe that you want the song to be. Like I normally would put in there maybe Caribbean, reggae, up tempo, but it did perfect with what I was looking for in that song. So if you want to just do instrumentals, I don't know why is this one taking so. Okay, good, it finished. So go back to home, create, and I'm missing it. Okay, I see. You're like, hold on, I'm missing some here. Yep, and let's see what it finished. You also can it can create the song for you too. Like let's say if you put a name of the song in there, you can hit this little button right here, right for a song. But so yeah,
Dreams fell distant, stuck in the.
it's an amazing tool I've created numerous songs with that. So yeah, if you want more information on this, I'm gonna leave a link for this Suno AI music creator, and I will see you on the next video.